Hi guys, as usual, this is what and it's called Wifeys. You can still see the marks. I was feeling a little conscious about my tummy. Look at the beautiful. ये वाला मेरा है. Hi guys, I just shot a video for you explaining my winter to summer switch for skincare. So let's see how that goes. Please show some love there as well. I'm as usual having my sea buckthorn pulp in water juice. For makeup, I'm wearing this outfit. I don't know how to show you guys this outfit. It's this crop moment with like a bell sleeve. I don't know what this is called. Tailing, and I think it's quite nice, and I'm wearing this tight jegging. So I want to keep the makeup as usual, very very simple. I did not need to apply sunscreen today because the UV index is very low and it's gonna rain all day. You can also always check the UV index before you apply sunscreen, but make sure you check it for the entire day and not just for the moment, because sometimes the sun tends to come out later. I'm gonna start with the base. Iska pump na, I'm not sure I like. It doesn't work properly. It gives out very small amounts of to pump it out like a bajillion times to get products out of it. Okay, I've taken this much and I'm gonna just apply whatever is on this to my face. Okay, my brushes are clean, so don't come at me for using it like this. And make sure you clean your brushes too. This is what the finish looks like. I had to turn on the light because it was getting a little dark. Like I said, it's raining pretty hard today. I got this new product. It was an impulse buy from Faye Beauty. Yeah, I got the blush and I got the highlighter. And it's called Wifey. So cute. And it's a very nice pink shade. I've used it a couple of times, but I kept the packaging to show you. Comes in this sort of a packaging. And this is the shade. It's a very pink, and I think pink goes amazing with blue. So this is what I'm using. It comes with this sort of a doe foot applicator. But how cute is this packaging? Look at this. It's got Faye written at the back in Hindi also. This is what I'll use. So I'm just gonna pick up the product from the back of my hand on my face in this tapping motion. I've been enjoying taking my blush a little all over the cheek these days. I think that's a very natural look. So I start off here and I create sort of like a V over here and here, and that's how I like applying my blush. And I think that looks most natural. And don't worry, the blush settles down. So if you think this is too much, it really isn't. It's not nearly enough. Apply some on my eyes for a more cohesive look. This is the highlighter. This is the packaging. It's called Beam. It's a very beautiful highlighter. Smells kind of, I don't know, it reminds me of an oil that my parents used to use growing up. This is what the highlighter looks like. It's such a minimalistic, clean packaging. You open it, it comes in this sort of a pack. I can just remove that. I kept that for you guys. I've already used the highlighter, by the way, okay? And that's the highlighter. We get this much product for, I think this was for 400 something. Faye is actually a pretty good brand. I'm gonna be putting loose powder. I'm not gonna put it on my cheeks because it did get a little colder due to the rain. My cheeks started feeling dry. So अभी कुछ नहीं है, तो अभी मैं इसे dab कर देती हूँ. So what my skin looks like up close. You can still see the marks. You can still see everything, and it's completely fine. Apply lip balm. So because I was already shooting a video, I did my eyebrows. I'm not gonna do them again. Oh, I was also wearing a little bit of gloss because I want to look cute for you guys. I'm gonna quickly move on to makeup fixer. I picked the wrong one. Give me a second. So I actually have 3 makeup fixers by Swiss Beauty. That was the matte one. This is the natural one, and this is the dewy one. I'm gonna go ahead and use the natural. That gives me the best finish. I'm gonna do lipstick first. I got this lipstick from Miniso years back and I use it to line my lips. You guys know I don't keep lip liners, so I just use my lipsticks to line my lips. Because pink goes so well with blue, I chose this Mars lipstick to fill in my centers. Like I said, pink always looks the best with blue, so that's what we went ahead with. And I'm gonna do my mascara. I need a mirror for this, so I'll be right back. I added mascara. You guys know I'm dead scared of curling my lashes, so I don't do that, but I do add. I do use waterproof mascara. I hate them, but since I have straight lashes, nothing else will hold. And this is the mascara that I use. This is the Panorama. It's okay. I don't know. I'm not a huge fan of whatever. I don't like mascaras in general. I wish I could do without them, but since I have very straight lashes, I do need to use mascara. And it does give me a little bit of a lift. So I love that. Makeup is done. I need to book a cab and I need to leave. And I need to also pack my food. ये मैंने अभी तक नहीं पिया क्योंकि मैं record कर रही थी. तो अब मैं ये पीऊंगी. Refreshing. This is my entire look. I'm thinking about changing to this because I think that was looking a little. I was feeling a little conscious about my tummy. So might wear this. I've added some cocoa powder and badam to my oats. I've also packed cinnamon apples to go with my oats and my dal and my rice. This is for my protein. For my protein shake, I use the Muscle Blaze Biozyme protein, you guys know, and a little bit of salad, and that's everything that I have for lunch. This is how I store my Muscle Blaze oats in a random container. I only get refills because refills are so much cheaper. तो 1 scoop of oats and I have this शाम के टाइम जब मैं ऑफिस से घर वापस आ रही होती हूँ and I'm careful not to waste anything because protein is expensive, okay? मैं पानी नहीं डालती. मैं पानी तभी डालती हूँ जब मुझे ये पीना होता है क्योंकि you're supposed to consume it within 15 minutes of adding water. And I just keep it like this and I take it to work and I add water. This is really... हाथ भी धोऊंगी, don't worry. रखिए, फिट हो जाएगा. हो तो जाएगा. सब फिट कर दिया मैंने इसमें. चलो ऑफिस चलते हैं. I always have Nescafe Gold for coffee. Then I had another coffee from the coffee machine and played with my toys. Post lunch, I grabbed some Diet Coke and needed to touch up my lipstick and my gloss, so I applied this tint and then added some gloss on top to make it super shiny. This gloss is by Elle, so it's super cheap. You can get it on Blinkit, always on discount. Then I got some work done. Despite of what this vlog looks like, I had a lot of work. Just walking around at work. Look at the beautiful weather. The sky looks amazing today. At around 5:36, we ordered some McDonald's.
इसके प्राइस को कोई मीट नहीं कर पाया अब तक.
ये वाला मेरा है. By the time we wrapped up work, it was literally so late and I felt so dehydrated. Finally, it was time to go home and I was genuinely exhausted. मैं ऑफिस से आते ही सबसे पहले स्किन केयर करती हूँ. So today I removed my makeup with the oil cleanser that I have. Let me show you the oil cleanser. This is the one that I use. Didn't want to do much, like I don't want to do a mask or anything. तो एक्सफोलिएशन के लिए मैंने ये CeraVe का ये ब्लेमिश कंट्रोल क्लेंजर यूज़ किया. इसमें सैलिसिलिक एसिड है तो वो काफ़ी जेंटली क्लीन करता है स्किन को and oil, dirt, clogged pores वो सब remove करता है. And then because my double cleansing system is so strong, I didn't want my skin to dry out, so then I went ahead with my this Bioderma moisturizer, which is actually really heavy for now, but क्योंकि बारिश हो रही है तो चल जाएगा अभी काम. तो मैंने ये यूज़ किया. ये आटा दीदी गूंद के गई थी तो अब मैं इसकी रोटी बनाऊंगी. और ये बैगन का भरता दीदी ने कल बनाया था, बट कल हम लोग का फास्ट था तो अभी आज खाएंगे हम. इस छोटी छोटी लोई बनाते हो. हमें पतली पतली रोटियां खानी बहुत पसंद है, तो इतनी सी लोई होती है हमारी रोटी की. घी वाली रोटी ये और सैलेड. शिवानी, फूड.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
बाय. मैंने ऑफिस में बहुत खाना खा लिया था मैकडोनल्ड से, तो अब मैं अपना प्रोटीन पीऊंगी. एंड दैट्स माय डे. वर्किंग वुमेन काइंड ऑफ अ डे होता है मेरा मोस्टली, बट हाँ स्किन केयर, मेकअप, थोड़ा ऑफिस का दिखा दिया. इसके अलावा if there are any aspects of my life that you would like me to cover or you would like me to show, then let me know. Bye.